Hello chess lovers, today's video is going to be a special one. I'm going to enter this chess school which is named after 10 times Armenian chess champion and chess composer Henrik Kasparian, and will show you something very interesting. As said, this chess school is named after renowned chess composer Henrik Kasparian and was built in 1960. Nowadays it has around 400 students studying chess in here. In the past century, when there were no computers, Armenian chess composer Henrik Kasparian used an old and ingenious method of creating a chess puzzle database. Let me open up this cabinet and show you his creation. There we have it. In here there are around 30,000 chess puzzles. Of course, for modern standards, this is not a big number. I know an online chess puzzle database which includes almost 500,000 chess puzzles and problems, but in this format this is just an unprecedented number. Just imagine the amount of work and effort which Kasparian has put in creating this database. It was Kasparian's son Sergei who donated this database to this chess school. And now let me show you how this database is made. As you can see, Kasparian used index cards for making his database. Each of the index card has the name of the composer when it was first published, the diagram of the puzzle, and also the solution. The names of the composers are sorted in the alphabetical order. I will now select one chess puzzle and will share with you. So the puzzle which I want to share with you right now was composed by Hungarian chess composer Ottó Bláthy and was first published in 1922 in the Chess Amateur. The task is to find the winning line for white. You can pause the video and try to find the solution. Ready? Just for your orientation, these pawns are moving towards the first ring. As you can see, white has only a single knight, but in grotesque chess problems, a single pawn or piece is enough to win the game. First, white is playing knight f4 check, and all that because of the fact that black pieces are piled up and black king is awkwardly placed. Black is playing king c5, knight e6 check, king d5, and white is winning the black queen. Another check is on the board, king goes to c5, and the bishop on a6 also drops. King d5, knight c7 check, king c5, knight e6 check, king d5, knight c5 check, knight f4 check, king c5, and king e4. A very important move with which white is taking under control the d5 square, and now the threat is knight e6 checkmate. Also, knight takes d3 is also checkmate, right? But this allows black to play d5 check, king d5, keeping black king imprisoned. Bishop f6 check. Suddenly, black is like getting a defensive resource, is sacrificing the bishop, but accepting the sacrifice can allow black to free his king, and in that case, of course, it's black who is winning. That's why white is playing king e6, knight d8 check, king d7, and now black has no more checks and white is announcing a checkmate. If you move away your knight, then knight e6 checkmate can follow, and yes, if you move, like for example c2, then knight takes d3, and we have a brutal smothered mate on the board. Another very interesting grotesque chess problem by Ottó Bláthy, which I hope that you enjoyed greatly.